Alrighty then. This is another short video on the little circuit board you can get from eBay. These things are all over the place. And basically it's a small audio amplifier based on the LM386 chip. If I remember correctly, this is an LM386N as in Nancy 2. It was really difficult to read the writing on that, so it might be an M2, but some real quick specs on these and what you would use them for. Let's see here. These things can handle a maximum voltage of 15 volts DC, although it's recommended you don't go any higher than 12. They can work on as little as 4 volts, and let's see here, I have a little cheat sheet. Minimum speaker ohmage is 4 ohms, and basically it'll work with any other speaker above that, but minimum of 4 ohms. Let's see, the output, speaker output or headphone output is, let's see here, looks like minimum of 250 milliwatts. And for this one, maximum of 325. I think this one was being advertised as 350 milliwatts, which could be possible because the cheat sheet I have doesn't have anything specifically for the N2. This would be an ideal thing to couple with this little tiny voltage regulator. You know, you give it 5 or 6 volts regulated. So let's zoom in on this. You have here a pin marked VCC, and this is your plus voltage, and then you have 2 grounds, and then you have an in, and the in is where you would put your audio in. Your volume is controlled by this little pot, and then it outputs from this side. There's no protection that I know of on these circuits, so you know, you don't want to overvolt them or short them. What have I used them for? Well, or what can you use them for? Well, you could use them as a preamp. If you want to hook up to get some kind of audio and amplify it a little bit before you give it to an actual stereo or something. You can use them in devices where you just want to power a small speaker, or you want to power a set of headphones. These things work great for that. What I've used one for is I have a video surveillance system with 4 cameras, but only inputs for one of the microphones. And what I did was I took all the microphones, ran them through some resistors, and inputted them into this, and then outputted that to the surveillance system. And this did a couple of things. One, it allowed me to pick up sound all around the area that I monitor, and the other thing is it allowed me to raise the volume quite a bit. and I can actually hear the phones ring at a tire store that's a block away. I can hear when they are removing tires. I can sort of hear conversations a couple of houses away. Surprisingly good gain on this. And I think that's, how much did they cost? Well, the prices are all over the place. I have tried to order these for as little as $1.25, shipping included. I never received those. I did get a refund. Basically, if you see these for a very, very, very low price, like below $2 or $3, go somewhere else. You probably won't get them. I expect to pay between $2 and $3, shipping included or not. But that's it.